Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Mbonire. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel using your phone. Yes, your smartphone. So before you create a YouTube channel, I want you to create a Gmail account for this channel and keep this account password safe and everything about it. Don't use it to subscribe to anything. If you've done that, open your YouTube app on your phone. Make sure your data is on. Click on this image that you're seeing, that's your Gmail account. Click on create channel. You can also click on switch account to change the YouTube account that you want to, that's the Gmail account that you want to use for the YouTube channel, to that new one that you've created. So this pencil button is where you can change your name. Like for me, I want to write blissful notes on this particular account. Write it, click on save, then handle. Like my other this my channel, I want it to be learn with bliss, but unfortunately I can't access it because this handle is no longer available. Someone else has taken the name. I didn't come on time with this particular name. So the same thing with you. Maybe someone might have chosen the name that you want to use on your YouTube channel, so you can add number to it. Like they suggested I should add Bliss 897, but I don't really want to add anything to that Learn with Bliss. So I tried Learn with Blissful Notes. I didn't actually like this. I tried so many other names. I even tried Discover with Bliss, all those kind of funny things, until I settled on Adventures of Bliss, which I kind of like because I love adventures. Like even this channel now that is showing you all these things was born out of adventure. So I think I'm cool with this name. I even tried Bliss Academy. You can imagine someone has taken that. Who took my academy? So you can see that many people are out there trying to create one or two things. So you don't be left behind. Even if you are just starting now, it's all good. You can start now and make it. So don't feel bad that you're starting late. Just start and be consistent at it. So once you're done, click on create channel, and tada, your channel is created. So still go back to that place where your image is, and now you can click on the edit button to edit anything, add description. Like we can just, description is all about what you're describing, what your channel is all about. So for this particular channel, which I just created to show you guys, it's still here anyway. I will find something to do with it. Let's keep exploring until we get, where we want to be. So once you're done, click on save to save the description that you've created for your channel. You can always edit this anytime. So you can come to this image, click on this camera icon to, take a picture from your gallery to save as your header. If you see TV, means that if you're using TV to broadcast, you can see all devices. You can see when you're using desktop what to show. For me, I'm using a phone. So once I'm done, you will see how it's going to look like. That's the channel banner. You can design it on Canva. You can change your channel image. All these editings are stuff that you can do at any time. So if you want to create a content, click on create or this plus button down here to upload a video, a short, or a post. So it's as simple as this. Like creating a YouTube channel is very simple, but don't forget, just create a separate Gmail account for this, for your own safety. That's just it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.